Want to know your iPhone charging time using an Apple Original adapter or a third-party one? Here are the steps to check. Lock your iPhone and wait a few seconds. You're going to see the battery percentage, and right below it, you'll see the estimated charging time on your iPhone. On my iPhone, it's taking more than 1 hour to charge from 80%. Apple doesn't allow you to see the estimated time to reach 100%, and it even removes charging limit details from the battery settings. Now, the big question is, which adapter is the best and fastest? Apple recommends using a 40-watt dynamic power adapter, which has a maximum output of 60 watts, to charge iPhone 17 models. You can get up to 50% charge in about 20 minutes. That's a pretty solid deal with Apple's 40-watt power adapter. That's it. You can measure the charging time on any iPhone running iOS 26 or later updates. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.